Hey YouTube, this is Jason. It's been a while since I posted a video. Sorry about that. I just wanted to go over some of the progress. It's been slow on this F450. We have ordered a bunch of parts, got them in. It's taken a minute to get them programmed and installed. To kind of show you what we have done is we have gotten the console in, and for the cluster I should say, sorry, and we've gotten this, sorry that's all hooked up, but the radio. So a couple things, turn it on, now we have all the warning lights, built for tough, all this kind of stuff comes on. Goes through all the warning lights. We thought it had 40,000 miles on it. For some reason, when they did this cluster, it says 104,000. We're still trying to figure that out exactly, what mileage was on this, or where that is saved. The other thing is if you see it right now, it's flashing and resetting. So that's what we've been trying to do, is track down some kind of short with that. It's been kind of a pain in the neck to figure that part out, but chasing a lot of shorts. And so the other part, we have gotten a new screen and has everything on that. We're getting the system off to save battery, then it resets. We know that there is an amplifier that we have on order for the radio. We don't know if that's part of it. Maybe you guys know, or leave a comment below what you think, if that's part of it. We got this all installed and got all new ports in there. They were all corroded so bad you couldn't do anything with them. Got some controls for the steering wheel all installed. When we try to start it, I don't know, it's been sitting on new batteries. It's gonna start, but battery's real weak. We won't try to start it too much, but it has, take that key out, but it has that. And that's what we're trying to figure out, is where we're losing power or where we're not getting enough power. We're thinking of maybe batteries or something. We had 2 new batteries in here, but with all the sitting and trying to start and going back and forth, it's been kind of a pain. But we also have taken out a few things to work on it, like, as you can see, all the motors and everything for windshield wipers. Has that out. My uncle pulled that out. He's getting all new motors and everything to get it going. But yeah, we haven't been making the progress we want. My dad's truck, there's a whole bunch of parts. My dad has another 2008 F450, and he was coming back from taking the razors up, and on his way back he had a transfer case explode on him. So that's what we're going to do today. I'll try to make a video of it. But that transfer case exploded, and there's parts and gears and housing everywhere on the freeway. So we're hoping, the driveline's all twisted. We're hoping it didn't hurt the transmission too bad, or if it did, we're going to be replacing it all. So we're going to pick it up right now, take it up to a shop so we can just work on it the next few days But that's the progress I got for this truck. Comment below if you have any questions, or if you know anything else we should be looking for, especially for that going into battery saving mode. But yeah, we're working on it, and thanks for watching it, and we'll see you guys later.